Hey guys, it's Jerry the Investor back with another one. So we just finished showing future potential tenants our unit. I have some tips for you guys to get your rental unit back and running as fast as possible. So come with me. And here's tip number one for you guys. You want to stage your rental unit because for your future potential tenants, you want them to get the first impression on how they would dress up their unit. Tip number two, you want to come to your rental unit at least 30 minutes to an hour so you can have everything up and running, everything fixed, all your appliances, all your aesthetically pleasing stages, all your candles, and you want to make sure the unit is just a warm, welcoming home for your future tenant. Tip number three, you want to make sure that you schedule all of your tours on the same day. You want to make sure that these tenants have a great idea that this unit will not be here long. So therefore, you schedule them on the same day so you can have your rental unit as fast as possible off the market. That is your quick 3 tips to get your rental unit as fast as possible off the rental market. Give us a like and subscribe on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. And if you guys have any real estate questions, feel free to shoot a DM on Instagram.